Yes, a very good morning to all of you. Yes, beta, let's discuss the worksheet which I've sent yesterday. Okay, chapter number 3. Okay, chapter 3's worksheet. We are going to recapitulate it through the worksheet. Chapter is digestive system. What is the name of the chapter? Digestive system. Okay. By the time you are opening the notebooks very quickly, okay, tell me what do you mean by digestion? Yes, Bachip, what is digestion? खाने को पचाना. How will you say it in the proper words? Yes. Very good, very good. Okay, it is a process by which food is broken down into simpler form. जो फूड है वो टूट जाता है सिंपल फॉर्म्स में टू रिलीज द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. कैन यू नेम द ऑर्गन from where nutrients, released nutrients are absorbed? G. Up. Small intestine. It means आपको समझ लग गई है. Okay. Small intestine में से nutrients absorb होते हैं because वहां पे जाते जाते food जो है सिंपल फॉर्म्स में टूट जाता है और उसमें से न्यूट्रिएंट्स फिर कौन पिक कर लेता है? ब्लड. ओके, वहां पे क्या होती है? ब्लड वेसल्स. ब्लड वेसल्स की वॉल्स बहुत थिन होती हैं जिनमें से न्यूट्रिएंट्स इधर उधर पास हो सकती हैं. सो ब्लड पिक्स द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन तक पहुंचते पहुंचते फूड अच्छी तरह से पच जाता है. पच जाता मीन्स broken down into simple. It means digested. Easy. Digestion means breaking down food into simple. तो digestion के लिए हमारे पास different organs are available. These are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Anus. They are the organs of our digestive tract. But there are two organs which help in digestion, but they do not. They are not the part of our digestive tract. Okay. Let me ask from online students. Bhumi, better turn the mic on. Beta, your video is off. It should not be there. Yes, Bhavishya, unmute. Bhavishya,
Yes.
mic on. Yes, Pachip. Name two organs which are the part of our digestive system. Means they help in digestion, but they are not the part of our digestive tract. Means खाना उनमें enter नहीं होता. They are not the passage for the food. What is this? Yes, Pavni. You can answer.
Ma'am, liver and pancreas.
Very good. Liver and pancreas. They produce the digestive juices, but they are not the part of digestive tract. Digestive tract means passage of food. Okay, जहाँ से food pass होता है. Organized system is there which helps to digest the food. Okay. So जहाँ से फूड पास होता है वो पैसेज है फूड का वो बनाता है डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक. सभी ऑर्गन्स जो हेल्प करती हैं टू ब्रेक डाउन द फूड दे फॉर्म द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो लेट्स रिवाइज द वर्कशीट. Who will read out the very first? Up. Very good. Yes, next. Read out the first one. Loudly read करोगे. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जी बेटा. भूमि,
मैम आपने मुझे अनम्यूट की ऑप्शन दी थी।
हाँ जी, तो आप तब बोले नहीं, फिर मैंने नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट को टर्न दे दी. यू शुड बी वेरी क्विक टू आंसर.
ओके मैम.
I'll send the answer key, but before that we will discuss. Yes, beta, once more read out. Yes, very good. Dash is the largest gland in the body. Which one? Liver. Which one? Liver is the gland. Okay. And it is the largest gland in the body. और भी glands हैं. Okay, but ये इसका size क्या है? सबसे बड़ा size है इसका. So this is the largest gland in the body. So first of all, these are fill ups. First answer is liver is the gland, largest gland present in the body. Yes, beta. Avni Duggal. Unmute, beta. Turn the mic on. Quick, very quick. No response.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Sabni, can you tell me the juice?
Good morning, ma'am.
in the liver? Yes. Can you tell me, beta, juice? Which juice is produced by liver? Garima? Yes, some students are writing. Yes. Karman,
Bill.
which juice?
Bill.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bile. Okay.
Ma'am, biology.
Bile juice. Liver produces bile juice. And which nutrient is digested with the help of this juice? Yes, up. Fats. Very good. Okay, liver produces bile juice, which helps to digest the fats. And लीवर जब बाइल जूस प्रोड्यूस करता है तो वो स्टोर कर लेता है. एक ऑर्गन होता है वेरी नियर टू लीवर और उसमें ये स्टोर करता रहता है. whenever that is required तो it is released into the digestive tract. Can you name? अभी मैंने आपको बताया नहीं है उसका नाम. नो, पेंक्रियाज अपने खुद का जूस प्रोड्यूस करता है. वेरी गुड. गैल ब्लैडर. ओके, गैल ब्लैडर छोटा सा एक पोटली सी होती है जो लीवर के पास होती है. लीवर बाइल जूस बनाकर अपने जूसेस बना के उसमें स्टोर करते रहते हैं. जब भी हम कोई फैटी चीज खाते हैं, रिक्वायर्ड होता है बाइल जूस, तो गैल ब्लैडर क्या करता है, वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में वो जूस भेजता रहता है फॉर द digestion of fats. Okay, fats are not easy to digest. They are complex molecules. Okay, next read out second one. Up. What gives? Yes, cooking kills dash present in the food germs. Very good. Cooking kills germs present in the food. जो कुछ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, they are killed at high. Germs. Cooking kills germs present in the food. कुकिंग से germs kill हो जाती हैं, मर जाती हैं. Okay. Some bacteria they cannot withstand at high temperature. हाई टेम्परेचर पे नहीं रह सकते. they die at high temperature. So when we cook the food, germs are killed. Okay, so cooked food is safer than the uncooked food. Now third one. Yes, up. into. Okay, good. Yes, abhi online students, are you able to hear the student who reads in the class? So let me ask you again, Dhruv. Dhruv beta, read
Ma'am,
out.
yes. Salivia changes starch
Or
present.
fill in. Yes, read out.
Saliva changes starch present in food into dash.
Into dash. Can you answer?
Ma'am, no,
Into.
I don't know.
If you attend the classes regularly, so yes, good. Mankaran has sent the answer. Many students are giving the answers. Yes, beta is saliva. What will you say? Saliva. Saliva and salivary glands. How will you pronounce? इसको क्या बोलना है? Saliva और जो glands जो produce करती है saliva, salivary glands. Clear? So saliva is a liquid produced by salivary glands in the mouth, and it helps to change starch into sugar. It changes starch into sugar. Sugar is simple carbohydrate. Starch is complex carbohydrate. So simply we can say saliva helps to digest carbohydrates. Clear? तीन तरह के कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं, शुगर, स्टार्च एंड रफेज. ओके, जो रफेज होती है उसको सेलुलोज उसमें होता है. सेलुलोज भी एक तरह का कार्बोहाइड्रेट है जो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, हमारी बॉडी उसको डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर सकती. ओके, वो काओ बफलोज की बॉडी उनको डाइजेस्ट करती है सेलुलोज को. हम सिर्फ शुगर और स्टार्च को डाइजेस्ट कर पाते हैं. जो हम सैलेड खाते हैं उसमें होता है रफेज ना, रफेज में सेलुलोज होता है, तो दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ द बॉडी अनडाइजेस्टेड. बट स्टार्च is turned into sugar and sugar is used by the body to produce energy. Clear? So saliva changes starch present in the food to sugar. Now next fourth part. Yes, beta. Very good. But somewhat loud because when you speak from distance, so online students are not able to hear. Online students, you can read in your mind from your notebooks. I'm going to read for you again. Fourth is water is absorbed in dash intestine. And the answer is large intestine. Can you name the organ from where nutrients are absorbed? All of you? Good. Small intestine, and water is absorbed from the large intestine. Okay. Then waste is removed through the anus at intervals. Now name the following. First one is who will read? जिसने कभी रीड नहीं किया? नो, आपने किया हुआ. आप बेटा read out the first. Name the following. Not only answers, you should write that. Yes. Saliva is saliva. Okay, good. Saram, name the following. Second part. We can say name these. First one is liquid digestive juice which is formed by salivary glands. Saliva is a liquid produced by salivary glands. Okay, salivary glands are present in our mouth. Delicious food देख के आपके मुंह में पानी आ जाता है ना, तो वो कैसे आता है? ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सलिवरी ग्लैंड्स में से सलाइवा रिलीज हो जाता है. B. Next is, yes, turn of online students. Ekjot. Turn the mic on, बच्चे. No response. Yes, Ian.
Yes, ma'am.
Ekjot is there. Just better read out the second one. Name these. Show me your
Ma'am,
note.
germs.
Yes. Once more, beta. Okay, online students, turn the mic on and show me your notebooks that you have written this. Ayan, beta, aap bolo. Now you have turned the mic off. Yes, turn it on again. No. Yes, Ayan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, read out the second. Name these.
Digestive juices secreted by liver, and the answer is bile.
Very good. Which digestive juice is secreted by liver? Bile juice helps to digest the fats. Now third one. Yes. Very good. Digest, complete digestion means digestion is complete. All the food is broken down into simple. It's not large intestine, Mankaran. It is small intestine. Clear? Small intestine तक पहुंचते पहुंचते खाना पूरी तरह से digest हो जाता है. It means it is broken down into simpler forms. Okay, nutrients are released. So, complete digestion of food takes place when the food reaches the small intestine. Speak of which intestine? Small intestine. Intestine. Small intestine. सभी न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब कर लिए जाते हैं, सिर्फ वाटर बच जाता है और वेस्ट फूड. तो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में पहुंचते पहुंचते वाटर भी एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया जाता है और that waste food is now present in the form of feces which are released through anus. Now fourth and the last one, chemicals present in the body. यहाँ तो थोड़ा सा addition होना चाहिए था. Chemicals present in the body which help to digest the food. Because हम कौन सा chapter कर रहे हैं? Food. Yes, Kanishka has written the right answer. Enzymes. Okay. Chemicals present in the body, we call them enzymes. We call them. You have to check the spelling also. Okay, when you tally your answers, if answer is wrong, no problem. You can correct it. You have to check the spelling also. Because your worksheet was not lengthy. Lengthy nahi thi, so you have to write it very neatly. Okay. Yes, now we were revising the chapter food yesterday. What we have done? Name the 5 nutrients present in the food. Yes, online students, write it in the chat box. All of you, maximum participation should be there. Yes, name 5 nutrients present in the food. Yes. Speak out all of you. Yes. Chapter number 1. Okay. Main nutrients present in the food are number 1. Yes. Number 3. Proteins. Number 4. Vitamins and minerals. We got all of you. We got vitamins and minerals. Now I have left some gap in between second and third, then third and fourth. Why is it so? मैंने थोड़ा दूर क्यों लिखा है इनको? Because they make 3 different groups. Okay, we can divide them into 3 different categories on the basis of their function. On the basis of the function they perform. अब carbohydrates and fats का main function क्या है? To give energy. Speak out. इनका function क्या है? To give energy. So we call them energy. Some students not speaking. They are energy. Very good. And proteins help to make our muscle. Body building, muscles. चोट लगती है, cells burn out, टूट जाती है, उनकी रिपेयर होनी है. जैसे ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड है, उनकी ग्रोथ होनी है, उनके लिए न्यू सेल्स चाहिए, टिश्यूज चाहिए. तो सबके लिए मटेरियल कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? प्रोटीन. So they help in growth, they help to body building. Okay, they repair the worn out cell. जब आप खेलते हो, चोट लगती है, जब आप टायर्ड हो जाते हो, some cells are they need repair, टूट जाते हैं. Okay, the damage. So we call them body building food. They help to build body. They help to build new cells. They help to build muscle cells. Okay, they repair the worn out cells. So they help to build body. So we call them body building food. Now comes vitamins and minerals. They protect us from diseases. Because they protect us from diseases. They protect us from diseases. अगर हम vitamins and minerals नहीं खाएंगे, तो we will suffer from certain diseases. We call them deficiency diseases. Okay? So हमें seasonal fruits and vegetables खाने चाहिए. Okay, खाती हो आप लोग? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे यही fruit खाना है. All the seasonal fruits and all the seasonal vegetables should be eaten. Okay? Don't go for junk food always. सभी vegetables खाओ. Green vegetables are very good for your eyesight. Clear? Minerals are there. They help to build your body. Okay, to keep your body healthy. So sources of, yes, sources of, you can note down. आप practice work लिख के इसको note down कर सकते हो. जितनी आप practice करोगे उतना ही आपको knowledge बढ़ जाएगी. Okay, sources we will revise again. One or two more days we will take to revise this.